get toothpaste. We have 1/2 of a cup of hydrogen peroxide. We have 1/4 cup of dish soap. We have 1 packet of yeast with warm water. First, we're going to let our yeast sit in the warm water for 10 minutes. Wow! Stir, 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 stir. Now it looks like a sandstorm, doesn't it? I just thought, why does this look so weird? The goggles. But put the hydrogen peroxide and dish soap into your container. So it will be in there when you pour that in. As you can hear, we're going to need a lot of subscribers on this. And we might also have some stuff by the time we're done. Woo! That looks crazy, doesn't it? Mix, 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 mix. The yeast to your hydrogen peroxide and your dish soap. We have to restart. That's cool. I don't like this. We have to redo it. It's supposed to act like dangerous. This is pretty awesome, isn't it? Comment down below and answer all my questions.